Are you in manufacturing?
And need custom springs or metal assemblies?
What you're seeing here is our largest spring customer. We ship them 1 million parts a day, and we make over 950 different versions of springs for them. I'll say that again, 1 million parts a day.
So for many years, our core competency was compression springs and wire forms. We can do it from prototype all the way through high production.
So while Southern Spring and Stamping is our name, there's much more to us.
So we've added sheet metal, chassis, enclosures, weldments,
Machining, welding, powder coating, and Swiss parts.
so we can also make assemblies. So we can put it together, we can package, barcode.
And the good news is we adapt with our customers. That's why we're not just springs anymore.
We're typically known for things that other people can't do or won't do. So we have better people and we have better equipment.
Because at Southern Spring, we want you just to relax. We got your back.
See our full capabilities tour at southernspring.com.